Hi there, my name's Maura. I'm one of the stylists here at Charly Goss Style Inc. Today I am chatting about transitional dressing from winter to spring. So we're gonna chat through a few pieces that'll help you take your winter wardrobe into spring and how to add a few spring accessories into your current wardrobe in that transitional weather and what layering makes sense for this time of year. Okay, so we're starting out chatting through some winter staples that you probably already own. When I'm working with my clients, I always encourage them to invest in some really great basics that are gonna transition from season to season. So for me right now, I've got an outfit on that most people may or may not have in their wardrobe. A great pair of medium wash jeans, which will take you through all seasons. A white t-shirt. I always say layer a white t-shirt under any of your knitwear because it just adds a style element and also a little bit of warmth as well. I've paired it with a sock and loafers. Now, obviously in the wintertime, you want to add that extra layer on your feet if you're wearing a flat, so loafers is the perfect shoe to do that with because you can also wear them without the sock when it starts to warm up. So, for example, with this outfit, if I'm wearing a layered knitwear over top, it adds that extra warmth so you can start playing around with some of your lighter jackets when the weather warms up. So leather is something everyone should have in their wardrobe. I think it's so easy to pair with knitwear, t-shirts. Even sometimes in the summertime, the evenings are really cool, so it just adds a little bit of edginess to your look. So I have this one from Zara that I just picked up. It's actually a dark brown. I know it probably looks black, but it's a nice chocolate brown. And something like this allows you to layer over your knitwear. And again, you have that extra layer of the t-shirt underneath, so it keeps you nice and warm without looking too bulky. So this one is a really nice option. And then of course, if it warms up even more, you can opt to take off the knitwear and just wear the t-shirt underneath with the same outfit. So another thing you've probably heard us talking about a ton and perhaps seen us wearing is the denim trend. It is everywhere. It's been a thing for just over a year and it's going to continue into spring as well. So for me right now, I'm rocking a little bit of denim on denim. This is kind of the perfect way to transition into the spring, especially if you've opted for a medium wash. Again, the medium wash is going to be your saving grace when it comes to denim and take you through all 4 seasons. So I've layered my denim shirt over top of a white t-shirt. You can either do the same thing that I've done today, or you can just wear the denim shirt on its own. And this allows you to play around with, again, your outerwear for springtime. So if it's still chilly like it is right now, you can do a heavier wool coat like this one, layer it over your jean, and actually brown and denim really complement each other very nicely. So that's a great option there. Brown suede is gonna be massive for springtime. So we are definitely gonna be working in our brown suede accessories. And again, see the brown and medium wash denim work really, really nicely with each other. So a big brown bag is a must for springtime and will transition really well from now into the coming months. Again, you can work in the brown suede with a flat as well. So if we're talking shoes, sneakers, everyone's got them. I absolutely love the slimline sneakers. Sambas are very popular right now, and any of those retro kind of slimmer sneakers are great for the winter heading into spring. I've opted to wear mine with a sock today, but you can do something a little more discreet. So a no-show sock is also an option. But then these brown suede flats, the warmth of suede is really great for this time of year. You can opt to wear them with either a nylon or a thinner sock. And then of course, when the weather warms up, you can do nothing at all and just go barefoot. A really beautiful option heading into spring. Everyone's got a good pair of kitten heel boots at this point. I have opted for a burgundy. I know black is very common, but the burgundy allows you a little leeway transitioning into a new season. So for me, I'm gonna be pairing these burgundy boots with my denim on denim looks. It just kind of adds a little bit of depth to the denim look and it lightens it up a bit as opposed to black. So just touching again on some outerwear options heading into the spring. I've switched into a brown suede jacket. Once again, the brown suede is massive this year, so anything you can get your hands on that is in that brown suede family, I highly recommend. So this little brown suede jacket lends a lot of warmth because it is real leather. And then I've switched into this little ballet flat with a sporty twist. So again, something to keep in mind for this spring is mixing those traditional feminine pieces with something a little bit sporty, a little bit edgy. And then when it comes to accessories, we're having a lot of fun with accessories this spring, and I think it's the easiest way to add a little pop of spring to your winter wardrobe. So you could layer these items with any of your knitwear, your button-up shirts. I've just obviously got on a simple t-shirt and jacket, but these beaded gemstone necklaces pack a real punch if you want to add a little bit of color and a point of interest to any of your looks. So I've got two options here, one with just solid green, and then this one has a few different colors. Another thing that we're seeing is sculptural necklaces and jewelry. So this necklace has a beautiful sculptural piece on the end, and again, adds that little pack of punch and interest to any of your looks, whether it's knitwear, simple basics, or button-up blouses. So keep that in mind when you're shopping for spring. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time. Make sure you let us know what your favorite pieces were that we chatted through today, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.